An experiment began in August 2006 on the floor of an old piano factory. Two guys, who saw an opportunity beyond Madison Avenue, came together to try something new, to create a content agency before content agencies were even a thing. They broke with tradition to build a place where creativity could work hand in hand with reality and change the way stories are told. At the time, it was a radical idea, but it's the reason you're watching this video right now, and it's at the core of everything we do. We create fluid stories that inspire and delight, but are deeply rooted in strategy and research. We're masters of possibility, writers and planners, designers, thinkers, and doers who embrace our original philosophy, to turn what we're given into what it was always meant to be, to never sacrifice quality, and to work creatively within reality. It's nice to finally meet you. Let's tell stories together.